Hello, it is Saturday, January 14th, 2012 at 4:37 a.m. Central Standard Time. And I wanted to show you something interesting I found here on NextSat. This is the image of the United States. The loop goes from 113 to 530 on 114. And the part that I want you to look at is down, way down here in the Gulf. Actually, it's down in Mexico. And we've got a pulsing going on. It's this whole section right here below Texas. It goes up into Texas somewhat too. And what I'm finding, or what I'm seeing, is that we've got clouds coming in here, and as they pass through that zone that's pulsing, they get stringy. It's like something. Here's an example of what it looks like after it passes through. It's like there's a pulse going in, a frequency put into the clouds somehow. Let me zoom in here so you can see it. I did another video on this, but you couldn't see the pulsing for some reason. Maybe it was the timing on the loop. But it's right here by the 100W mark. You can see it actually comes past that. It's more like into here. Can you see it there? The pink is our low cloud and the white are higher altitude clouds. So I'm going to switch over to College of DuPage and show you. This is what I think is making that pulsing. It's a, I call it a flapper, but it's like a cutout in the satellite image right here. And it goes right exactly in the area that we're talking about. And I want to show you, I just want to toggle back and forth here and show you where it flaps. It flaps straight down, which is just to the west of Eglin Air Force Base. And then it flaps all the way to below Texas here. And I'm going to let this play through real quick just so you can watch the flapper. See how it goes back and forth? And then this is the hemispheric products, and you can see the same thing here. And it comes down and way out in here. And I just wanted to show you this so you could see that it goes down into Mexico here, right at the place that we're seeing the pulse. And then here we've got a let me put the power back in here. I don't know why it goes out so fast. All right, here we've got a I call them satellite rings. This has been here for a while. I haven't looked at it recently, but it was pretty much occurring every day, and I'm assuming that's still the case. But we got this little thing bumping over here, and here's just a little portion of that little flapper thing showing. And the satellite ring comes from this bumper thing all the way over to the flapper thing. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that where it comes out of the bumper, it's fine. See that? And then as it progresses this way, it gets longer, little longer signals. And it moves up and down in addition to flashing on. And I got all of these blocked out because it's nighttime and you really can't see anything, although that little satellite ring still is there. And then this will show you, you can see the clouds moving in and then out past that area again. This is visible satellite. We're at the College of DuPage website. And you can see that it's kind of stringy going in, but as it passes through here, well, it gets dark. But up in here you can clearly see it. And then I'm going to show you another NextSat loop about the same time as the other one. And here's those same styrations, I guess is what I would call them. And then you can see the bumping going on right in here. Before we focus in on that, I want to show you that we also have little scalar type clouds up here. Whoops, got to move it different here. And it'll show up when right in here, see them? They're all lines little clouds, and then we got these other things coming in. Then we also have had snake clouds going all today and all night, and I think yesterday also, but now they've subsided. These don't look like the snake clouds, but they showed up on the radar. Let's go down and look at the bumpy thing. You can see it right down here bumping. You can actually watch this cloud move through. And you can just barely make out that little outline of the flapper right in here. You can see there's chemtrailing also at the beginning of the loop. And we've got more scalar clouds in here also. So hopefully this is coming through all right. I just find it fascinating that a little thing that from the satellite would actually make little lines in the cloud. But it must have something to do with injecting frequency into them. See how they just, right as they come off of there, they're all. So anyway, have a good day. God bless you.